How to turn on Siri on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. On this page, you can customize various Siri settings such as language, voice, and how Siri is activated. For example, Hey Siri. You can also manage Siri's responses, including whether they are spoken or shown on screen, and control Siri suggestions. Here, go to Talk to Siri. Then, select Siri or Hey Siri. This means that iPhone will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. Tap on Enable Siri to confirm. And then, tap on Continue to set up Siri. Now, complete the steps over here to set it up. After that, turn on the Press Side button switch below. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Siri on iPhone.